I'm on one. This Zippo lighter, or equivalent to it, or one equivalent to it, in 1929, when this house was built, would be a necessity for situations like this. Come, Pan. Pan, come in. And we're going back to 1929. This is something that I do every now and then. Let's just give this good girl. There we go. And what it is it makes you think ahead a little bit. So what I do is I come in here, mind Pan, move baby. And I come up to here, yeah, and then we flick the time switch. And this will take me back to 1929. No electric, no gas, no internet, no sound of the fridge. So ready? There we go. So then in the dark, which we can't just flicker a switch, we remember where we put things. Where the hell am I? So it's not until you're with the darkness again that you realise your coordination. So let's pop that there a minute. That's like a little Florence Nightingale. There we go. And of course, it'd be a lot more acclimatised for doing a lot of things in darkness back in the day. So we'll pop that there. And we pop that there. Just about there. And then on a cold winter evening, coming in maybe alone, and the house has been empty. Maybe we've been away. And we would light a fire. So already I'm tempted to use something modern. But we get going like that. Get a bit of kindling. I'll get that going, eh? And already we're feeling warmth because we are actively doing something. Get that little baby going. close it up a little bit. And we'll reduce the air. Let's get that ticking over a little bit. Because there'd be 3 other fires in this house to get going. We'd have a range in the kitchen where I sit, and on 2 bedrooms upstairs they've both got a fireplace, so get that going all nice, but it takes a bit of work. But in 1929 you didn't have another choice. So there we go. Just a little moment. Thank you.